Next, we'll demonstrate the fishbone stitch. Using 3 strands of floss, for the first stitch, bring the needle through at the tip of the leaf. Stitch the first line down the center. This will be approximately this length. Then, for the second stitch, bring the needle through at the upper left corner and bring it down at the lower right corner. For the third stitch, form a symmetrical shape that crosses like an X. This creates a symmetrical pattern. For the fourth and fifth stitches, continue repeating the steps of the second and third stitches. Align them alternately. 1 stitch on the left, 1 stitch on the right. Continue stitching around the center line. As you continue stitching, make sure each floss is tightly aligned. This way, there will be no gaps. It will consistently form a crossed pattern. Keep stitching like this, following the pattern, and stitch down both sides. Continue until the entire leaf is filled. Now the leaf is fully embroidered. For the structure below, stitch upward again to add another stitch. Now it's complete. Use 6 strands of floss to embroider this leaf. Start by stitching a straight line in the center. Then stitch 1 on each side. Stitch another on the right side. Then repeat the steps from the previous stitches. The more strands you use, the embroidery will appear fuller and more solid. Make sure the edges are not visible. The entire edge line must be covered to achieve a more complete look. This shows the effect of using 2 to 6 strands. It starts finer and gradually becomes thicker. The overall texture and detail become more pronounced. When using 6 strands of floss, this is the fishbone stitch.